Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Chrysler 300 with the remote. First, make sure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial safety step before initiating the remote start sequence. The remote start system is designed to operate when the car is in park and within a range of approximately 200 feet from your vehicle. This ensures convenience and security for you. To begin, locate the remote start button on your key fob. It often has a circular arrow icon. First, press and release the lock button once. Then, immediately press and hold the remote start button. Keep holding it for at least 2 seconds. You'll notice the parking lights flash, indicating the command has been received and the engine is starting up for you. Once the engine starts, it will run for approximately 15 minutes. This allows the interior to warm up or cool down to your last climate control settings. The parking lights will stay illuminated, serving as a visual confirmation that your Chrysler 300 is running remotely. This feature is perfect for preconditioning your car on hot or cold days, making your drive more comfortable. When you're ready to enter your vehicle, simply unlock the doors using your key fob or the passive entry system. Once inside, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Finally, press the brake pedal. This action will disengage the remote start function, allowing you to shift into gear and drive away smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.